Introduction to Water Management. An Industrial and Domestic Perspective. Welcome to this course on water management. Industries and townships don't give enough attention to the importance of water management. Water is an essential resource for our lives and health, but many people take it for granted. This course will go over various disciples of water management and how to make better decisions when it comes to this important resource, and how it affects the environment, society, and individuals on a global scale. Welcome to this course on water management. My name is Pradeep Kumar. I am a civil engineer by profession with 35 years of expertise managing water supply for townships and big industries like steel plants. And I'm responsible for the water treatment requirements for their needs. I'm really excited about sharing my knowledge of how to manage water. Now, what are we going to cover? Well, first of all, I'll start by giving you an idea of the concept that how water is managed. It's just not about dams or canals or even infrastructure like treatment plants and distribution networks for townships and industrial purposes. It's much more than that. I'm really excited about sharing my knowledge of how to manage water. Let's get started. The world is 70% water, but this sacred resource is not always available to everyone, which leads to immense water scarcity on our planet. Water management is a big topic that affects many aspects of life, from society to the environment. It affects plants and wildlife when they are overpumped from natural streams and lakes. Harvesting the natural supply causes a lack of food for aquatic species in these waters. Learn more about ways in which we can manage, conserve, and share this resource that we have with our planet. This course will go over various disciplines of water management and how to make better decisions when it comes to this important resource. Examples include environmental flow, landscape design, sustainable agriculture, ecological flow design principles, water footprint, stormwater harvesting, supply planning for townships and industries. Water management is all about making smart decisions when it comes to freshwater supplies. Sources of water include rivers, ponds, lakes, wetlands, aquifers, and glaciers. Managing water is a never-ending task. It is impossible to solve the world's weight of the world's water problems can be alleviated using management techniques. We need to change our current water use patterns and create new technologies that are cost-efficient and beneficial for all stakeholders. We have to develop sustainable ways of living with clean air, water, food, transport, etc. The goal of this course is to teach individuals how we can use water more efficiently and effectively so that everyone has access to it safely and without causing too much damage to ourselves or our planet. Learning objectives for this course are: 1. Explore water management in its many forms and across disciplines. 2. Gain an understanding of the principles and practices of water quality control. 3. Gain knowledge on the different types of water systems and understand what makes them unique. 4. Explore the roles engineers and community members play in protecting public health and dealing with everyday water issues such as shortages, floods, and wastewater treatment. 4. Explore the different types of water treatment options available. 5. Discover how we can be better stewards to our shared planet and resources. 6. Identify the roles that engineers, businesses, and communities play in managing water resources. 7. Assess how water needs are changing from an environmental perspective. 8. Learn about wastewater treatment processes. Explore the different types of water treatment options available to control water quality. 10. Identify tools that engineers use to manage natural resources. Evaluate water metrics and water quality control options. After completing this course, you would be awarded a digital credential which you can add to your social networking profile and showcase your expertise on this topic. What are the requirements or prerequisites for taking your course? 1. No prior knowledge is required. 2. No prerequisites are needed to learn water science, engineering principles, and management tools in this course. 3. This course requires a computer with an internet connection and headphones for videos or speakers for lectures, recommended. Who is this course for? 1. This course is for anyone who wants to learn about water management theory and gain a general understanding of the topic. 2. No prior knowledge required, however understanding of the physical properties of water would be helpful. 3. Perfect if you want an overview of water science, engineering, and management tools. What is water management? The act of controlling, modifying, reusing, or recycling water to produce a more valuable product or service. Managing our water resources so that they are more efficient and safer for everyone involved. Distribution of limited water resources among competing interests in water scarcity regions. Water management is the systematic control of water resources by humans to provide a healthy environment. Water management affects many aspects of society from the environment to individuals directly. Earlier this was known as water supply, but due to the involvement of various domains now it is more popularly known as water management. Water management is the collection, utilization, and conservation of fresh potable water for all purposes. This includes the provisioning of pure drinking water, treatment and disposal of wastewater, creation of new storages and restoration and/or rehabilitation to existing reservoirs that supply raw, untreated water. It includes steps like knowing where the sources are, how much is needed, treating the waste, and making smart decisions for distribution. The first step should be to know the location of available water sources. Then, to know how much water is needed for use by different sectors and various purposes like industrial purposes, agricultural purposes, etc. The next step would be to estimate the amount of treated water required either for direct potable use or for indirect uses like industry, fisheries, etc. And then finally the wastewater treatment, followed by the disposal of wastewater to make sure that it's not entering into any water bodies or groundwater. It is an effort to use water efficiently, protect human health and preserve aquatic ecosystems for future generations. This includes properly managing groundwater subsurface flows, surface runoff from rain or snow, wastewater disposal, flood control, irrigation, and anything that relates to the quality of water. Water management is all about having the right knowledge. When it comes to water management, you must have a special knowledge that will give you an upper hand. In this course, we'll talk a little about all the theory behind water management and what makes a good water manager. The term, water management, can have different meanings to people depending on their perspective or interest in water. It can mean managing a community's drinking water supply from a potable water treatment perspective, but it can also mean managing the community's wastewater and stormwater runoff.